Hey everyone! iCloud sync issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you see that nagging "some iCloud data isn't syncing" message. In 2026, most of these glitches are tied to security handshakes or power management. Here is the definitive path to getting your data moving again. Step 1. The Identity Handshake. We are starting in Settings. Often, when you set up a new device or change a passcode, iCloud pauses end-to-end encrypted data, like passwords and health data, until you verify your identity. Tap the "Some iCloud data isn't syncing" message right at the top of Settings. Tap Resume Data Sync. You will likely be asked to enter the passcode of your previous device or another trusted Apple device to prove it's really you. If you can't remember it, you may have to reset your encrypted data. Step 2. Check Power and Data Restrictions. Now we are heading to battery and cellular settings. We do this because iOS will aggressively pause syncing to save juice or data. Ensure low power mode is turned off, Settings, Battery. If you are on a limited data plan, ensure low data mode is disabled, Settings, Cellular Data Options. For the best results, plug your phone into a charger and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Many sync tasks only run when the phone is power connected and idle. Step 3. Toggle and force the sync. We are finishing with a manual reset of the specific app that is stuck. We do this to kickstart the connection between your device and Apple's servers. Go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, Show All. Find the app that isn't syncing, like Messages or Notes, toggle it off, wait 30 seconds, and toggle it back on. For apps like Messages, tap into the app settings within the iCloud menu and hit Sync Now to manually push the data through. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.